cutie friends, how are you? Are you bored? No problem, I got you. Here are some easy things to do whilst bored. Number 1. Paint your nails. Number 2. Organize your room, closet, drawers. Number 3. Take a nap. Number 4. Experiment with a new hairstyle. Number 5. Write a letter to someone. Number 6. Head to a cafe for coffee or tea. Number 7. Create a meal for you. Number 8. Create a playlist. Number 9. Make and apply a face pack. Number 10. Watch your comfort show. Number 11. Listen to a podcast. Number 12. Make a vision board. Number 13. Visit to a bookstore. Number 14. Take warm, long showers. Number 15. Watch a sunset.